Hey YouTube, and thanks for watching Junkworks DIY Garage. Well, we got this light here, and everybody raves about these lights. I've been wanting one for a while. They finally went on sale again for a decent price. Probably not as low as they used to be, but nothing is. If I can figure out what I paid, I'll put the price below. Anyhow, it's this Braun magnetic slim folding rechargeable LED 390 lumen flashlight that swivels 180 degrees from one side to the other. It's extremely bright. It's got three settings. You got the brightest one there, you got a middle one there, and then you got your flashlight, which you can point directly at something. I know that's going to probably mess with the camera, so I won't leave it on. Oh, that is something I have noticed, that I tend to hit the thing and then leave that on and don't notice it. So you got to make sure you don't hit that and turn the flashlight off. So it comes with a flashlight, your instruction booklet here, and then this right here, and this is the charging cord. It is very similar to like my old phones and things like that. Anyhow, and then you plug it into your computer or whatever device you have that you can plug it into to charge this. Well, that's where this comes in. It's an old tablet or phone, something or another, Samsung cord. It'll plug in to there. And I have already charged this, or if that just is made to swivel. Oh, that's how you get to the battery. Got to kind of push on it. So there's your battery inside there. So I'm going to have to find out if I can find some more of these, because they're definitely not a normal battery. I know there's a specific name, but quite honestly I don't have my glasses on. I can't see anything that's written on there. It is right here. There's a plug on the back that you open up for the charger. And when you first start charging it, it'll be bright red, and then it'll go to green once it's charged. So you got the different flashlight options. Head can angle to 180 degrees. Charge from any power USB port, which yet again, like I was saying, I have just one of these old ones. I have several of these I have laying around. So the specifications: the battery type is a lithium ion. The dimensions are 13.5 inches length by 1.38 inches diameter. On high, the lumens are 390. On low, the lumens are 109. And the flashlight is 52. Runtime on high is 2.5 hours. Runtime on low is 7 hours and 55 minutes. On the flashlight is 11 hours and 39 minutes. Beam distance on high 66 feet, on low 36 feet, and on flashlight 26 feet. So there are your different specifications on that. Yet again, it's rechargeable. That's the main thing I really like about these things. I don't know how long it's going to actually last. We'll have to do maybe some testing later on that. Quite honestly, I bought it mainly for the whole magnetic idea of it and being able to go camping if I need to work under my hood. So if I need to work under my hood or underneath the lift here, it magnetizes to the bottom of that, so it's really strong. I mean, you're gonna have to bump it pretty darn good. I couldn't even get it off by hand, but you'll have to bump it pretty darn good, I think, before that's gonna really come off. Now obviously that depends on how clean the metal is that you're putting it against, but I'm pretty happy with it so far. Yet again, time will tell on how much I like it. I do wish it just folded down, so maybe it was a little bit smaller. So far so good. It's very hefty. I will say it's metal, not plastic. The button feels pretty solid as far as the clicking. It's got that green light on there, so that'll actually tell you if you've left it on. So that's nice to know. Right there on the button, the green light. because like I said, I keep leaving that part on. You don't notice it. I really like flashlights that are rechargeable because I'm tired of having to replace batteries all the time. It's at a solid magnet. So, a lot of times I come into my garage and I have my main lights on, which are up over that way. And I get my toolbox and I can see pretty well. But I will say, this would be nice. I have this sticking up here. Hopefully you can see that. I got to figure out where the button is. So that lights that up really nice down in the box there, which is a total mess right now. And then if I need to, and I need a, wow, come on. It is a really sturdy magnet. If I need to, I can come down here and kind of do the same thing. Lights up everything here. Figure out what I need. Grab what I need and go without having to turn a bunch of lights on or try and figure out everything. So I'm going to stick that right there and use it for lighting up my box when I need to for now. And maybe sometime I'll come back and give you more of an updated view on this, because I plan on actually probably taking it camping with me in case I need it for inside my truck or working on the motor or who knows what. An extra flashlight is always nice to have, especially when it's kind of hands-free. Alright, thanks for watching Junkworks DIY Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.